A message from TBM Vice Secretary to the organization. Good morning, Team Blue Muhatsi. Dear TBM at large, I am writing to sincerely express my deepest gratitude and appreciate for the outstanding work and dedication demonstration by everyone. Specifically, the efforts and commitment shown during every aspect and step have been truly remarkable. The success we achieved is directly a result of the collective hard work, innovative thinking, and tireless dedication of every team member. To the CEO, your exceptional leadership, strategic vision, and unwavering support have been instrumental in guiding us through challenges and inspiring us to reach new heights. Your ability to foster a collaborative and positive work environment makes coming to work each day a pleasure. For the team member or to the team member, to all team members, your expertise, collaborative spirit, and willingness to go above and beyond did not go unnoticed. It is a privilege to work alongside such a talented group of professionals who embody that team. Once again, thank you for your valuable contribution. I am incredibly proud to be part of this organization team and look forward to celebrate even more success with you in the future. With sincere thanks and appreciation, Vice Secretary. One love, one family, stay blessed. Hey, I like this one. Thank you so much, Madam Vice Secretary. God bless you so much. She's called Joyce. God bless you so much, Joyce, where you are. You are amazing. You are a blessing to TBM. Mungu akubariki sana. Mungu akutendee mema.